Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to keep your PowerPoint slides organized or wanted your audience to easily follow along, adding page numbers is the simplest fix. In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to add slide numbers to any PowerPoint presentation so your slides stay perfectly organized and easy to track, no matter how big your deck is. Stick around because I'll also share a quick tip to make sure the numbers show up exactly where you want them. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. You can either start a brand new file or open an existing one. This method works the same way for both. Next, look to the top of your screen and click on the Insert tab in the menu bar. This is where PowerPoint keeps all the elements you can add to a slide, like pictures, shapes, and text. On the far right side of the Insert ribbon, you'll find the Slide Number button. It's usually grouped with the date and time options. Click on Slide Number and a new dialog box will pop up. Inside this box, check the box labeled Slide Number to activate slide numbering. If you'd also like to add the current date or a footer, you can do that here too, but for now, just make sure the slide number box is checked. Here's an important step. To add numbers to every single slide in your presentation, click Apply to All. This ensures every slide, existing or new, gets numbered automatically, keeping everything consistent. Want to leave out your title slide? No problem. Just check the box that says Don't Show on Title Slide before you hit Apply to All. That way, your opening slide stays clean and professional while the rest are neatly numbered. And that's it. You've just added page numbers to your PowerPoint presentation in a few quick steps. Now your audience can easily follow along, and you'll stay perfectly organized during your talk. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.